Guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and I am back with another video. So I have got the Crystal Druzy edge mold from Julie Cuts Pouring Your Heart Out, and I will put the link for her eBay store in my description. So I am trying a new technique, new to me anyway, from resincourses.com. And again, I will also put the resincourses.com link in my description below. It's called the Floral Fusion. And I used the Fanzariche Peacock Blue, the Fanzariche Golden Yellow, and that's that one. Then I used the Resiner's Bright Red Resin Dye, the Resin Rockers Thickwood Color in Whitest White. That's that. And then in the Clear Push, I put the Resiner's Bright Purple Resin Dye. So let's get started, shall we? So you have to let it thicken up a little bit. So it says half the teal. I don't know if that's half, but and then half the yellow, half the red. Whoop. And then you do it again with the remainder. And I ran all of my resin through my Let's Resin Debubbler. Whoop. All right, the rest of the yellow. Oh, goodness. Yeah. It's been a thing since I got back from Ireland. Not feeling well, so. Although, hang on a second, because I feel like there's something in there. Yep. Okay, once you do that, then you pour the white straight in the middle, or, you know. All right, and then I'm just gonna quick go over it with a torch. And then you do the push. Alrighty. I'm trying to re-level it, but anywho. All right, so I'm gonna babysit this for a little while. Probably zap it with my heat gun to pop these bubbles as they come up. And what is that? And do my little cleanup of my sticks, and I will see you back for the demold. Okay, it's time to demold. Super excited. This looks absolutely beautiful. Okay. Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh. So I think it would be... Okay, so I don't know what that is. Maybe it's the white pigment. But I think it would be cooler if I didn't have this, the druzy. But it is really, really cool. Okay. No, won't fit. How about this? Nope, won't fit either. Alrighty. I'm gonna find a decal for this. Okay, so I found this really cute dragon UV DTF. Alrighty. Alrighty. That is so very pretty. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a, actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I will take a picture of this out in the sunshine so you can see how pretty the sides are. The back is super cool though. Alrighty. Well, if you could do me a favor and like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys for the next video. All right, take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.